Hello, this is Rob again, and today I just want to show you an easy way of how to clean up or disinfect your microphones after they've been used. First part I'm going to show you just using disinfecting wipes. This is something simple, everybody can do it, and I bet all the people would do a better job than me. I'm going to use disinfecting wipes, and I will do this before I put them in the bag or a case, wherever I carry them. I like to go around the grill first, and this is good to remove all the fluids or whatever will fall on the grill, and also in the body too. And it's a good practice because then your mics will rust the grill. They will get bad smells and stuff like that. That's why I like to keep it clean and protect the mics. Also, you don't want to put it dirty in the bag. Now, I'm gonna show you how I will do it. A more deep cleaning. I'm gonna use dishwasher soap and with water, which is simple. And I'm gonna first remove the grill from the body. These are all mic that I have. I'd have cleaned this mic before, so this is not the first time I do it with this mic, but I want to show you how I will do it. To remove the foam or the filter, I will use a small hook and I will hold it there so I don't want to break it. I try to pull it slowly. As you can see, there's the filter there in the grill. So I'm gonna show you now how I will do it with water and soap. So right now I'm gonna see this is a dishwasher soap, and here's my grill, and the foam is here also. And I like to use a toothbrush to clean up the grill, not the foam. The foam is very delicate, so I don't want to use anything that can break it or something like that. And it's good, so I just pour some water on it, and as you can see, clean it thoroughly with the toothbrush. And like I said before, it's to prevent the rust, from whatever falls on top of the microphone after it's been used. And you see, I go all around. Also, I like to keep it clean also inside because, of course, all that stuff goes inside the grill. And you will see in a minute how we use it inside. We use the toothbrush inside. So here's the toothbrush is running inside, and try to clean it as much as I can, so it will be nice and clean. And I will pour some water on top of it. I just use the water, and dishwasher soap is good enough. I mean, that stuff is used to remove grease from plates and all that stuff from food, so it's good to wash these grills. And to try, just use a piece of napkin or paper towel or whatever I have on hand at the moment. I can use a rag also, but I have this piece of how you call paper towel. I would dry it up really nice because I want it nice and dry once I'm done, so I can put back the filter and make sure it's nice and dried outside also. And once I'm done with that, as you can see, then I'm gonna proceed to clean up, remove actually the soap from the toothbrush because I'm not gonna need the toothbrush at this moment. I'm just gonna clean up the foam with my hands because it's like I said before, it's very delicate and it's a very soft material, very thin, of course, because it's transparent, so sound can go through. So I pour some water also, but you know, I'll take care slowly. I don't want to rush it, nothing. Just want to make sure I don't break it. Pour some of that dishwasher soap. This is a good. It's very good to clean up this foam. Now we use my fingers, as you can see. Just go around on the filter, and I will turn it around, turn it the other way, clean it inside also, and it's a little close up here so it looks a little better. And there you go, as you see. So I will use my fingers and my hands, like I said before. It's not that, it's something very thin, and I don't want to break it anyway. So then I proceed to rinse the soap, and see with the water. You see, I just squish it a little bit with my fingers. Try to remove all the soap. Turn it around. You got to stick it or together. I mean, it's hard to take it apart once it's wet, but I have to have a little patience with the foam, like I said before, just to prevent damage on it. And so I will turn it back and forth a couple of times, and once I'm done, I will try to squeeze as much as possible all the water before I dry it out with paper towel, so I don't have that much water on it. So we'll put it on the paper towel, cover it a little bit, squeeze it again. So then I put it back in the dry area one more time. Do the same thing. It's simple, but I mean, it's something easy, but it works. Dry it out. And then once I do that, I leave it covered with the paper towel for a little bit, so it will dry it out nice. And so once I put it back, it's dry. So there you go. Here's the filter. So I'm gonna remove it from the paper towel. Just leave it for a couple of minutes, and no, it's no science on it. It's just to let it dry it up. And I'm gonna proceed to put the foam on the grill. Make sure it's dry before I put it. And if you see, I'm trying to making sure this foam is all inside. So once I'm trying to put it back together, put the grill on the mic body, I don't want to push the foam with a capsule or stuff like that. And you'll see in a minute. See, I'm trying to do whatever is best, just to put it inside. And here it goes. I'm gonna put the grill, turn it back, and that's it. So it was something simple. Microphone is clean, it smells good now. You don't have no bad breath smell or whatever smell. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon on the next video.